everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how to get rid of frizzy, dry and damaged hair. So all of you might be facing this problem, especially during the winter, and not only during winter, most of the time we face this common problem and we want our hair to look shining, smooth and amazing. So here I'm bringing to you two remedies that I'm going to share today. So if you don't have any one product, you can use the other. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting, I just want to let you know one thing. I'm going to divide this video into three parts. First the causes, then the remedy and then the prevention, so that you get to know whole about why you get frizzy hair, how to prevent it and the remedy too. So please keep watching. So let's start with cause number one. So cause number one is mainly because of using heat tools like straighteners, curlers. This causes a lot of hair damage and also it leads to completely dry and frizzy hair. So stop using straighteners and curlers, or at least limit the usage. So cause number two is using a lot of chemical products like shampoos and conditioners you have to use, but always check the ingredients that are present so that there are not too many harmful chemicals like paraben, sulfate and color and fragrance. This will always damage your hair, so make sure to check the ingredients before buying your shampoos. Let's move on to cause number three, which is shampooing your hair too often. You think there's a lot of dirt, your hair is not looking shiny, so you sit and wash your hair. It removes all the natural oil from your hair and makes your hair look very unhealthy. So I'd always recommend to wash your hair maximum twice a week. Not more than that. If you wash more than that, I'm sure your hair will go for a toss. Now it might look glossy, but not anymore. That's it for the causes, and now let's move on to the remedy. So first you have to start by detangling your hair. Only when you detangle your hair and apply the hair mask, it applies evenly and gives a really nice result. So I'd first detangle my hair and show you why next. Now let's start with the remedy. So I've taken a bowl here and the first ingredient is curd. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of curd, you can see, and then I'm adding 2 spoons to 2.5 spoons of almond oil. This is very good to nourish your hair, and whisk it all together so that it becomes one mixture. And the second remedy is coconut oil and vitamin E, as I mentioned in the screen. Just check it out. Actually, once whisk it and beat it really well like this, and now we can start applying. So I start by applying. I take it in my palm, rotate it like this, rub it between my palm and start applying it like this. So you're going to act like a comb. Put your fingers through your hair and start applying it. Pull, catch, down and pull. These are the method of application. And now you all can see I'm done applying on my length. So I'm going to start by applying it on my roots. So now actually I'm done applying on both the sides. And now I have extra. So I'm going to massage it on my fingertips and then nicely get a nice scalp massage. Because during winters also your scalp is too dry and you have to nourish and moisturize them too. So I nicely gently give it a massage, and I'm applying fully on my hair. It's well moisturized now with this full pack. Now you're not going to comb your hair, you're just immediately going to tie it into a bun, or you can leave it as it is if you want. If you have short hair, just leave it, but I don't want to tie it, otherwise the place would become messy. So I just tie it into a nice bun. Don't do it too tight also, it will damage your hair. And again, any excess product, I just apply it on the top to retain the moisture. And I am using this cap and covering it off. You can even leave it as it is, or if you don't have, you can even use a plastic cover to wrap it and just leave it. You're just going to leave it for only 30 minutes. That is half an hour, not more than that. Let's see after 30 minutes. So guys, it's half an hour now, and now I'm going to wash my hair. So if you can see my hair, it's settled down very well. Wash my hair and be back. I'm done washing my hair, and after washing you should always gently press and remove the water and not rub between the hair. So you can see how I'm doing. Follow the same way. So I hope you all can see my hair. This is how it looks after I washed it. It looks so better and natural and looks so healthy. You can see in one wash itself you would get the result. I would just show you in a close-up. You can just see this how it looks. It looks so way better than how it was in the beginning. So please do try this out. It's really amazing. And if you want what shampoo I use a Wow Skin Science Black Seed Red Oil shampoo, and it's a very nice shampoo. It is very mild and it's nice to use. And the conditioner that I used is from Dove. You can use any shampoo and conditioner, doesn't matter, but make sure to use a mild one. So I hope you all saw the remedy, and I want all of you all to try it out, and I'm sure in the long run you will surely achieve smooth hair. You cannot expect in just one wash to get silky smooth hair, never, but you would really find a difference of the before and after, and I'm sure by using this continuously you would surely get your desired result. So now I'm coming to the preventions again. Do not use heating tools. Do not ever sleep on hard pillows, the pillow covers. Don't even use cotton. Use a very soft material because it creates a friction, and this leads to a lot of hair dryness, breakage and many other things. So make sure to use a soft pillow cover before sleeping. Make sure to use conditioner. Before I used to not use conditioner thinking it would spoil the hair, but do not worry, nothing will happen. It will retain the moisture in your hair and lock all the moisture, so better use a conditioner. And I hope you really enjoyed the video. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.